Tessa's Art Table. Today we will be making a swan in the ocean with a wave, with a sunset in the back. So this is very detailed, but with my help, I think we can do this and fill this white piece of paper in with some pretty pictures. So today we are going to be using this rainbow of markers. First we're going to pick up the black and I'm going to label it. We're going to take the black marker and we are going to make some bumps into our ocean. You might want to as well draw the wave with the ruffles at the end. It doesn't quite look like the wave, but with the ocean, you could see how it might look like something splashing down, and because you see the ocean, you're gonna think it's a wave. So to make a swan, you're just gonna be like the number 2 with the eye and then the big little beak. So this is the mom swan, and it's gonna have some little baby 2s behind it. They're gonna even have a tinier beak. And if the water's not hitting them, you could just pretend there's like a bump there and make some bumps under them. So one guy. Two. She's gonna have 3 little babies behind her. One of them is smooth on the roll. And the mom's going right into the wave. Then we draw out our things. Then we're gonna draw the sun setting. So behind the mom, right here, you're gonna draw a big round circle. That's gonna be the sun. Then we're gonna put the black back and move on to the rainbow. I think we might do pink, but we don't have pink on here. So we're gonna use the rainbow because it has like this purplish pinkish in it. So you don't want to shade it in all the way unless you're trying to make a very like certain type of thing, which is what we're doing. So we're going to shade it in all the way. If you're trying to make it light, use only light colors and don't use the colors that are red or something like that. Or you could use light color red, because if you're trying to make it light and you use dark red, it's not going to look light. It's just going to look like you use both colors, like light and dark together, which is what we're doing. So now we're gonna, I think, move on to red. So we're gonna take out the dark red, and we're gonna put it above. I'm trying to make a bit of both in this. Now we're going to move on to yellow. It's sort of like a rainbow, but it's not. Yellow's in the sunset, but when we're doing the yellow, we might as well just do the sun too. So we're going to just color it in there. Now we're going to use green. Light green and dark green. So after we use the dark green, we're going to use the light green. Since we used a lot of blue in the last one, I thought that we could do a sunset for this one to make the sky a bit like different colors so that it's a bit even. Orange is always in the sunset, and so is blue. They're like the 2 main colors. in the sunset. I'm gonna add some orange to it. I don't know what we're gonna be adding blue, but if you want to, you can. Or you can make your sunset a rainbow. You can make a blue with a rainbow in the sky. I didn't want to do rainbow because then there would be no room for the wave, or we would have to make the wave like that short, which does not look like a wave. And it would hit the mom, which means some of the mom, I don't think the babies, but some of the mom will be rainbow. And it's just gonna look weird. So we're gonna put our orange back. I think we might do a little bit of light blue. And that will be the rest of it. It's okay if the baby gets a bit of some blue on her, because she'll be okay. So we're gonna have to make the water like a bit reflecting off the sky, because whatever color the sky is, the color the water is. That way, so sometimes like, you know how beaches, like the water's blue, it actually is clear, but the sky's blue since the sky's above it, which is made out of water too. It's reflecting down on the water we can touch, and it's making it blue. So if it reflects down on this one, then we're gonna have to make it a bit rainbowish. I don't think we're gonna make it rainbowish because it's gonna be a little harder. And I only drew one copy of this, and I don't know where it is, and I forget how I did it. I don't know if they even did it like that. Oh, I forgot to put this on the blue. So now we're done with the sunset. That was the hard part. The wave, we're gonna do this color too. We're not gonna use a lot of this color on the wave because my color is running out of ink. Like a lot out of ink. So we just had enough to finish the wave. So remember always to clean up when you're done using it and put it back where it was so you can find it. Now the top of the wave, we're going to use my dark blue. The dark blue is not very good either, but it works. So for the water, we're not going to make it, like I said, we're going to make it a bit reflecting. So we're not going to do it even halfway this color. We're just going to scribble around it. Because we want it to look like it's reflecting. So we're just going to scribble around it. There. So now we just have to color these in. If you want to leave them white, you can. So they're swans. So there are very rare swans, which are black swans. I saw a black swan into white swans when I was on vacation in London. I saw some baby ducks too. So they were white and black, so if you want to make them black, white, whatever you can do. But I'm going to make mine gray. It's going to be a different type of swan. But it's going to be a cool looking swan. I'm going to make mine different than the others. Because it's okay to be different. That's what makes you new. That makes you unique. So his eye is fainting. There's no gray. I'll just put it on white since there's no gray. The black on the eye is like not useful on the gray, so I'm just gonna have to redo it like that. Now her beak is gonna be the orange. And when we're at it, I'm gonna do the little baby's beaks. So we're gonna have to re-add the eye on these swans. It's very hard to do the babies. And there you have it. Always remember to write your name on the thing because you may get swapped if someone else made the same picture from the same art video, and they look alike, like they're similar, you want to know which one's yours, so you're always going to put your name on it. Thank you for watching. Remember to come back on more Tessa's art videos. Bye. Tessa!